Hello students, today we are going to study about human nervous system. The human nervous system consists of three main parts. The human nervous system consists of three main parts. The three main parts of human nervous system are central nervous system, peripheral nervous system and autonomic nervous system. The central nervous system further divided into two parts or further consists of two main parts, that is brain and spinal cord. That is brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system consists of nerves. These two nerves are cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Cranial nerves and spinal nerves. The central nervous system include brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system include cranial nerves and spinal nerves. It includes nerves only. The cranial nerves arise from the brain and the spinal nerves arise from the spinal cord. The autonomic nervous system consists of sympathetic nervous system. It includes sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Okay, parasympathetic nervous system. Now the brain, that is human brain. Okay, today we are going to study in detail about human brain. The human brain is further divided into three main parts. These main parts are forebrain. These main parts are forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. The forebrain is divided into three parts. These are the three main parts of forebrain are: number one is olfactory lobes. Number one is olfactory lobes. Let us study these one by one, these parts: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Okay, these are the three main parts of human brain. Okay, let us study the three main parts of these three main parts and their subparts further. The forebrain is divided into three main parts. These are your olfactory lobes, cerebral hemispheres and diencephalon. Cerebral hemispheres and diencephalon. Okay, now this diencephalon includes further two parts, divided into two parts, that is hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is also an endocrine gland. It secretes various hormones. It stimulates pituitary gland to release various hormones. And thalamus, hypothalamus and thalamus. The hypothalamus is the floor of this diencephalon and thalamus is the roof of diencephalon. Okay, now let us study the midbrain, the two parts of midbrain. Midbrain includes two main parts. It consists of two main parts. These are crura cerebri and corpora quadrigemina. Okay, now the last one is your hindbrain. Okay, the hindbrain includes three main parts. These are the hindbrain includes three main parts. These are hindbrain includes three main parts. These are: number one is pons varolii. Second one is medulla oblongata. And the last one is cerebellum. So these are the three main parts of hindbrain. Okay, so these are the parts, various parts of brain, human brain. Now let us discuss the structure of human brain. Okay, the structure of human brain. Let us draw the structure. The structure of human brain. What are the various parts, and let us locate the various parts of human brain. Human brain is protected by various meninges. The human brain is protected by various meninges. These meninges are, there are three meninges or membranes that protects the human brain. These membranes are arachnoid membrane, dura mater, and the outermost is pia mater. Arachnoid, then dura mater and pia mater. These are the three membranes that protects the brain from mechanical shock or any injury. Okay, these membranes protect our brain from any mechanical shock or injury. Okay, now this is our spinal cord. This is the spinal cord. The human brain consists of these cerebral hemispheres. These are the cerebral hemisphere. They are two cerebral hemispheres. Okay, they are two cerebral hemispheres, and here in between these cerebral hemispheres, we have midbrain. Okay, so let us draw the midbrain. This is your midbrain. Here we have midbrain. Okay, this is a midbrain. Now I am going to draw here. This is the pineal gland present in the brain. Then we have pituitary. Pineal gland. Let us erase these membranes to label these glands. Here we have this is pineal gland, this is pituitary, then we have pons varolii, and this is medulla. These are the three main parts of hindbrain. Okay, these are the three main parts of hindbrain. Now this frontal part is your forebrain. And this one is cerebrum. Okay, now this flower-like structure part is cerebellum. This is cerebellum. There is a small brain-like structure present behind the brain, that is cerebellum. And here this muscular structure, these are two cerebral hemispheres which include olfactory lobes, diencephalon, and various other parts like we have temporal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe for various functions. Okay, and this part is your thalamus, and this lower part is hypothalamus, and this one is the midbrain. Okay,